Hello everyone. So today I want to say a little bit about what I got for Christmas. So if you all know, last year I got a DJI Spark with the control. I do have my old phone on there because it has a OTG cable, so I use that phone. Then this is actually my Spark, and then this year, I ended up getting 3 items for it from my girlfriend's brother. So the first one is it's a drone care kit. So it's basically things to just clean it. Spray bottle. I'm not sure what this is. I think it's a brush. Lens cleaner. I haven't really opened this. It looks like napkins on there to clean the lens on there, or the camera, and then basically what's in there. So it's an air blower, spray bottle, tissue, cleaning lens, microfiber lens cloth, and then a cleaning brush is that one right there. So I got that from him. So gotta tell him thank you. I was actually excited to receive this. So that's that right there. So I did get these. This you already know, it's a portable charger station for the Spark, which I've been wanting to get, and I actually got that. So I'll unbox that right now. This is actually the bag that he got me. So I did open this yesterday because I was way too excited. Couldn't wait. It's a DJI bag, and I believe it comes with a handle. So I believe, I'm not too sure. I did open it, but I'm not too sure. I believe that the charging station goes in here, and then the control will go in here, if I'm correct. So let me take that off. So it would go like that. And then I'm hoping that this fits inside there. If not, I believe, yeah, so I'm assuming it's gonna be for this. So let me go ahead and unbox this. And the material on this is actually pretty nice. My girlfriend said she better not find it on the floor of my car. So let me go ahead and grab a knife really quick. I'm gonna pause this. So I got it. Close this up. Get that out of the way. So this is slide right out. As soon as you take it out of the box, I don't know if you can see it. It does say DJI on there. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay. So this is it right here. It's well packed. Has instructions on the DJI Carry Fresh Keeping Flying. So that's basically something were to go wrong with it. You know, the little package that comes with it is saying how to use it. But I've seen a lot of reviews on that. It's actually not that much bigger. Let me see. It's smaller than the box. Yep. So, as I said, I was correct. It should fit inside here. If y'all can see that, let me go ahead and move this over here. It should fit here, all the way around, just like that, and it's snugged in. Oh, it snugs right in. There you go. Just scared to break it on the first day that I open it, but it's snug. Okay, so I'm assuming I need to charge this. It does have a release right there. And the reason I've been wanting this is because, first of all, I can put my drone in there and I can carry that. I no longer have to carry this. The other thing is it is a charging station, so I can charge one, two. I don't know if those are supposed to snap on. Okay, yeah, they're secure, so they're not going down. And then the drone, 3, and then close it, and then set those right there, and then of course put it away in there, close it up. And I have everything in there except the phone, of course. But I'm pretty sure I can fit the phone in here if I'm correct. Pretty sure it'll fit like right there. I don't know, let's try it. It's a little snug, but it still does close. And I can head up. So everything that I need to go flying is in here. In here we have the wires to actually charge the portable charger, which is right here. And the wire that goes connected to the outlet is right here. So this connected right there. Just like that. And then that goes connected to the portable in here. Yep, that's it inside that box. So if we open it, you have that right there. Now I do carry extra propellers, just in case of anything. I have crashed it before, but I can set those there, and it fits perfectly. My only concern would be my propeller guards, which I need to buy new ones. But I'm guessing I can carry those in my pocket or something. But I did love this gift, So I want to say thank you very much to the person that got it for me. He knows who he is. I appreciate it. I really did love this gift. Thank you.